So in this video, I'm going to discuss with you what are the important units that you should compulsory study for this DBT BET JRF program, and also what are the units that you can skip or from which unit the question is not at all will be asked. Okay, the main reason for putting this video is that if you go through the syllabus for this DBT BET JRF examination, the syllabus run for 23 pages, and which is the main reason for many students who are not writing this examination. But if you watch this full video, I have shared you important tips as well as smart way to prepare for this DBT BET JRF syllabus. So first thing is general biotechnology. So this is first portion is biomolecular structure and function. This is very similar to your CSIR biochemistry portion. Okay, so in that you can leave this thermodynamic portion and also properties of water and chemical kinetics. Apart from it, you can concentrate more on the covalent structure of amino acid, protein, nucleic acid and carbohydrate. Along with it, you can study this Ramachandran plot and you can target for enzymology. So these three are important topic, and while preparing for this unit, keep your Leninger book in your hand and try to read as a story and try to take a notes also, friends. Okay. So next, methods in biology. So this unit is just similar to a unit number 13 in CSIR net, and in this unit you need to cover only the C and D, that is biochemical method. You should know about chromatography and electrophoresis, as well as you should know about this UV visible spectroscopy. You should know the formula for B-Ramlet's law. After studying that, if you have time, you can concentrate on fluorescence spectroscopy and centrifugation. So all these units that I prepared for DBT examination, so I studied only this unit. So I thought, why not to share my success strategy with you. So I clear this DBT BET JRF examination in my first attempt, that also under category 1. So this will be very much helpful for you, student. Next, organization of structure and function of prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. This is literally similar to unit number 3, I think. So that is unit molecular biology, and in that you should target only for CDE, that is organization of genome, cell division and cell cycle, and cell transformation and cancer. This is the important topic. You can leave A and B sections. Next is a cellular process. Cellular process is literally a mol bio topic, and no need to go in detail of studying. If you have your 12th standard book, or if you have your BSc notes, or if you refer Sharma book or some local author book means, no need to study international author like Leninger or Watson and Crick book and all. You can go for publication like R.S. Gupta publication like that you can go, or else you can refer Satyanarayana book. Okay, in that most commonly questions has been asked from transcription factor as well as translation. Okay, so these two are much more important, and also transcription you study about microRNA, mRNA, and in protein synthesis you study about the tRNA structure and everything. You can leave this another thing like mechanism of translation, initiation, elongation and all, no need to study, and also you no need to study DNA replication and all, but you study protein trafficking and transport. Next at last, give a glance of cell signaling, that is already the cell signaling and all you will take notes in your CSIR exam itself, or else just watch any YouTube videos. Okay. Next, you should know about this innate and adaptive immune system, which is nothing but QB immunology topic only. So unit number 4 in CSIR syllabus, that last topic immunology alone you just cover. Although no need to go in detail about this full topic. The only thing you should know about B cell, T cell, how they are originating. That alone at least study. If you can't able to study the entire unit, at least study about B cell function and how the B cells are produced, pre B cell, post B cell, like that you should know. Next, this raw DNA technology, no need to study nothing from it. Even though you study the question that has been asked in this year, it is literally we can't able to attempt those questions. It's apart from CSIR standard. Okay, so better you can study PCR, like types of PCR and what are the uses of PCR. No need to study about the steps and all, types of PCR and for what purposes they are using the PCR alone study. Next, genetics, phylogenetic and evolution. In this you can either skip this unit because no question has been asked from this unit, and at the same time if you prepare for unit number 8 inheritance biology in CSIR, you can study this unit as a full. Okay, so in this unit with respect to DBT BET, you should know about this mutation, which is very important. Next, you can completely leave this genomics and proteomics. If you are a MSc Biotechnology, then you can't able to figure out all those things. You can leave this particular unit. Okay, so just completely leave because I didn't prepare for this unit. Next, you should leave this IPR, biosafety and bioethics. Even though question has been asked, there is 1 or 2 that we can easily leave as a choice. Next, this also you can leave. Next, specialized branches in biology, biotechnology, agriculture biotechnology. If you are already prepared for your unit number 6, that is CSIR plant biology unit, means you can target for this unit, or else you can simply leave this particular unit. Only thing you can study this hormonal control of seed germination, vernalization, like that you can study. You can study a topic which you found easy. Okay, if you go through any topic, like if you take solute transport and photo assimilation and translocation, to prepare for this unit it took me 1 full day. Okay, but the thing is that no question has been asked. So why you need to waste this particular time in studying those topics which are very hard for you? Just cover those topics that are easy for you. Next, you should target for this tissue culture, transgenic technology and biotechnology. You should study entire thing. It is highly important, and nearly 10 to 15 questions has been asked from this second topic, that is tissue culture. Next, you can leave this molecular breeding and genomics. At the same time, you can leave stress biology and biodiversity. Next, with animal biotechnology, study about animal parasitology, animal virology, immunology and pathology alone. 4 topic alone important, and also you should know about DNA and RNA viruses causing disease. This is very important. Okay. Next, MTech biotechnology, biochemical engineering, industrial biotechnology, you can leave completely. At the same time, bioinformatics and computational biology I didn't study, but if you I'm planning to put the previous year question that has been asked in bioinformatics and computational biology subject alone, because I didn't go for complete preparation for, I didn't even touch the syllabus with respect to bioinformatics. I just only revised the previous year question that has been asked from bioinformatics and computational biology. Although this unit also nearly 5 to 10 question will be asked. At the same time, if you take myself, where I don't prepare for entire unit, where I had prepared only for previous year question paper, and I could able to get out of mark for those questions that has been asked in bioinformatics. Next, environmental biotechnology is a easier unit, friends. You can refer Satyanarayana book, which literally have 50 pages only, so it's just read as a story, and every unit is very important. Next, you can skip marine biology. Instead of that, you should know about few important things, like I can share you. Introduction to marine pharmacology is very important. So if you are in a plan of skipping entire unit of marine biotechnology, just target for this introduction to marine biopharmacology, where they will be asking question with related to anti-cancer drugs that are available from marine sources. So instead of studying all those things, you can download any recent paper, that is 2022 paper that has been published in marine pharmacology or anti-cancer drugs, that you can download review article. That's how I had prepared. Okay. Next, disease diagnosis, marine organism and environment interaction, pollution, fouling, everything are important. Okay, so again I'm saying just study what are the things that I had given in green boxes. Okay. Next, medical biotechnology, vaccinology, you can refer Cube book, and the same time no need to go into detail about mechanism of vaccines and all. Okay. Next, immunotechnology, again you can go for Cube. In that immunotechnology, most commonly they have been asking with respect to ELISpot assay, so better go for studying this ELISpot assay, Western blotting and ELISA. Okay, and also hybridoma technology. Next thing, genetics in medical practices. Okay, so you should, here they are asking definition and their genetic basis and molecular pathology of monogenetic disorder. So in that they will ask which particular gene is mutated in cystic fibrosis, or what is a mode of inheritance. So simply cystic fibrosis, you just type in Google and just study Wikipedia article alone. No need to study nothing. And also while opening Wikipedia page, just study introduction alone, because many question that has been asked from Wikipedia source with respect to DBT biotechnology. Instead of leaving all those diseases as a thing without studying, you just study what is mean by inborn anaerobic metabolism. It will be very much interesting. If you take phenylketonuria, how about phenylketonuria, and what is a significant thing that are being noted in phenylketonuria, so that in general knowledge you should study. Same you should follow for neurogenetic disorder, eye disorder, phylogenetic disorder, genetic, because all these are highly important, and literally it will take 5 hours time period to study about all those things. You no need to take notes also, just open Google and have enough amount of data pack and just read about all those center. Next, again all those things are important. Next, this recombinant therapy, immunotherapy, gene silencing, human, all these are important, but my personal thing is that just concentration on recombinant therapy alone. No need to worry about immunotherapy, gene silencing and human gene disease and all. Just concentrate on this recombinant therapy. Next, molecular biology and genetics. So again I'm saying if you are well versed in your inherited biology, that is unit number 8 of CSER, you can target, or else you can study this pedigree analysis, familial cancer, which is again an important thing. Next you can just leave this tumor specific marker everything, and you can also leave this human genome because no question will be asked. Instead you can study this common genetic disorder, which is very much important. You should know about the disease and the gene which is mutated in sickle cell anemia and all. Next, neuroscience, friends. My personal suggestion with respect to neuroscience, you can leave this unit as a whole, or else you can study about this particular glial cell function. Okay, because many times question has been asked from glial cell. Apart from this glial cell, if you study developmental biology, means you can concentrate on studying this major event in early embryonic development. If you like developmental biology, and if developmental biology you can complete the topic. Next thing is that you should study about this Huxley analysis of squid gene axon, because currently no question has been asked, and this year you can expect this question. Next you should study about synaptic transmission and cell signaling. Okay, this alone study, no need to study about all those things. These are irrelevant, and anyway it will collapse you as a whole. This is what you should study in neuroscience. Okay, so next, pharmaceutical biology you can leave as a whole, friends, because this is very tough. At the same time, MSc or MTech biotechnology can't able to figure out these things. But if you are pharma, like if you done your M pharmacy, means you can study this topic. No need to study nothing. Even though question asked, you can leave that in a choice. And this is a DBT BET JRF syllabus, friends. So part A, part B. Aptitude also you can just leave. No need to study about aptitude and all, and no need to worry about aptitude, and no need to attempt question in aptitude. And with respect to general biotechnology, you have biochemistry, methods in biology, mol bio, cell bio, DNA, genetics, genomics, and IPR. Okay, at part B, this is what the syllabus, and this is what I analysis. So currently the syllabus is for 23 pages. The total number of pages that you need to concentrate is only 8 pages alone. So 15 pages you can leave, that I had already discussed. So from this 15 pages, nowhere question has been asked since. I had compared 2018 to 2020 question paper, and I had made analysis. So rest of 5 pages is very important pages, friends. So although this 5 pages is very easy to study, and remaining 3 pages it might be new for MSc biotechnology, whereas it might be easy for MTech biotechnology student, because these 3 pages contains few topics that are very difficult for you to understand. Okay, and you can leave, you can't able to leave this 8 pages as a whole. You can leave this 15 pages. Next, remaining portions you will ask from previous year questions only. So in DBT BET JRF also you can expect question from previous year question paper. So these are the unit that you need to prepare for your DBT BET JRF by following the syllabus. In this way only I had prepared. So these are the unit that I had studied, and these are the unit that I had left you. I had given you an entire detailed analysis. So please don't waste even a single minute in your life or single minute for this past 30 days, and please do continue your preparation. Okay, and I'll upload how to prepare for DBT BET JRF exam for 30 days plan I had made, and definitely I'll share with you. Once I had, I'll give a link in the description below, and I also had as a end card. So you can plan your day according just like me, so that we can study as a group and all can clear this DBT BET JRF program. All the best, friend. Thanks for watching this video.